Incidentally, I see two ladies, one the widow of Hazrat Sayyid Hilmi Shafi Sahib and one his daughter. I've been commenting on your good translation many times, but one thing where you can never touch Hilmi Shafi is what I must explain once again, because they may be wondering that I have forgotten late Sayyid Hilmi Shafi Sahib. His Arabic was Fusha, there's no doubt. Your Arabic is Fusha, but he stood out, stood over and above. Number two, when he listened to my address, sometimes because of special emotional parts, he was moved so strongly that when he started translating, I was amazed. Many times he gave me the impression that it was me who was speaking from his mouth in Arabic. It was fascinating. Where I shed tears, he shed tears. Where I laughed, he laughed. So that is something I have never noticed in any other translator, in any language. So that tribute must be paid to him once again. Otherwise they may be thinking they have forgotten. I can never forget him. He was so dear to me and will inshallah remain always dear to me till my life. Please. And I thank you because this time your translation is complete. You have not missed even the slightest point which I did.